BIM managers, IT managers, and project managers. I know. We all get frustrated with project management tools that are, well, they aren't great. And we just want one that's, well, awesome. You know, one that will make information exchange effortless, help us manage how teams collaborate on Revit models, and control how those models are shared or linked. Yeah, I know how that feels. That's why my team and I started using BIM360 Design. Now, we can set up workflows so that other firms only get to see approved work that's ready to share. We can exchange data through a project timeline because nobody likes getting giant PDFs in email. We see how changes to models will impact ongoing work. We can compare versions and see our published models in all their glory. And we can manage design issues and RFIs in the same platform. Yeah, it basically has everything. No more hunting down revision clouds or pestering coworkers for their latest work. With BIM360 Design, we always have the most up-to-date versions of our models. So we can do less of this and more of this.
BIM360 Design is here, and it's about to make your life a whole lot easier.